Okay guys, little tutorial. Not even a tutorial because I'm not even an expert on doing this, but I've been doing it for about, I don't know, 3 or 4 years since I moved to Devon. And this is how I manage the whole thing of getting into the ice. Even now, as I'm talking to camera now, my mind is thinking, strategizing, afraid, fearful about getting into the ice. I want to show you the ice. Come and film the ice here. Come and have a look. So you can see some big chunks here. I should probably break these up. So we're lucky today. It's a beautiful warm day in February in Devon. Beautiful and warm, but still my mind is got fear around getting into this ice. Now the cold is a great teacher. It's consistent. It's always consistent. No matter where you are, no matter how strong you are physically, mentally, whatever space you're in, whenever you get in it, it's freezing. So what I do, I prime myself normally with the breath work before I get in. It's all about here, what you're thinking about here, and committing to it fully. Like anything in life, you know, if you want something, you have to really commit yourself and go and get it. You know, on our weekend workshops, we talk about building the ability to take action when it really matters. When things are really tough, being able to dig deep and do what you need to do. So what I always do, get myself in that sort of positive mindset, and walk up to the ice with a clear intention of visualizing myself being underneath it. Now this is a key. When you're in and you go under, your body's going to want to go really breathe. So the key is to get yourself in, take a big deep breath, and exhale as you go down. It stops your body from panicking. So I'm going to demonstrate what it is now. So I'm going to take a big deep breath in. I'm going to go down. You know, I reflect on all of this stuff. Stretching, meditation, breath work, even cold water, you know, they're all free. It all comes for free. I genuinely believe we can reconnect with ourselves and reconnect with all the answers within us by doing these simple things. They're free, they don't cost anything. That's the beauty of them. Simply reconnecting with our body and our minds, our instinctive nature, Mother Nature, reconnecting with Mother Nature. It's so beautiful. Yeah, just love it. You know, I normally get both of my hands and I put them on the same spot on my body, normally around my heart area. And what it does, it creates a little pocket of warm water. And that's normally a good little technique to think, yeah, the rest of my body is freezing, but there's one little pocket that's quite warm. And for those who, you know, when you get into this and you do start panicking, like I do sometimes I get into the ice and my mind is like racing. I find a spot to focus on, like just something in the distance or something nearby, and just focus in on it. Just really focus in. You know, like right now I'm starting to feel the cold in the bottoms of my leg, in particularly the tips of my toes. Focus in on that, focus in. Give your attention to the cold areas of your body. Often they're the parts of your body that need to be healed, and the ice is just doing it. The cold water is healing them parts of yourself that need to be healed. Mother Nature, these daily practices. They're the key. You know, my happiness is my responsibility, and I often have to do things that at the time are uncomfortable, but on the other side of it is happiness. Now, the optional part for anyone who likes to do this stuff is to go for the head dunk. I like to do it because it really shocks you into the moment. It's hard to think of anything else but how cold it is in that moment. So that's what I always do. I always finish my ice baths off with a little head dunk. So I'll be back in a moment. So beautiful. Once you're in, once your body adjusts to it, it's like you could stay in here forever. It's so nice. For anyone out there who's struggling mentally, physically, emotionally, I really recommend this. Nothing brings you into the moment more than cold water therapy. I'm going to go for one more dunk and then I'm done. So there we go. That's it, folks. That's what works for me. If you're thinking of trying this at home, give it a go. The barrel, this oak barrel that I got in, is from a company called Celtic Timber. They sell them and they put a tap on the bottom of it so you can drain the water a lot easier. You can buy the big packs of ice from a company called Arctic Ice. And for more videos on ice bath, breath work and stuff like that, follow Wim Hof. Really good guy, really good guy. I met him back in 2018, I think. Done the training with him. He is amazing. So hope you're all well. Stay safe, stay blessed. Not long the lockdown will be lifted. Lots of love. Peace out.